Good morning to Mr. Amin and my valued friends. Today, I would like to presenting my research topic, the influence of physical learning environment towards students' behavior. The idea of this research spark as physical learning environment is the place provided to gain knowledge and skills. This place is an essential role to mention in order to decide students' mood and behavior, which also play an important role in resulting their learning outcomes. This statement can be confirmed by a study done by Chen Nizam et al. In 2010 that states some students may likely to find themselves not satisfied with several aspects of how their classroom was designed and built, such as the air circulation, lighting, temperature, or even the color selection of the room. This led the researcher wanting to investigate what the effect of physical environment towards students' learning and behavior. This research aims to study on the influence of physical learning environment towards students' learning and behavior. Therefore, the researcher was able to come up with two research questions. The first one is, how does physical environment influence students' mood? And the second one is there any influence of physical environment towards students' behavioral? Past literature that was reviewed by the researcher was able to provide a background for this research. The first one is factors that influence students' mood in learning. The scholars conjointly perceive that the physical surroundings have an effect on student health, mood, and learning. Additionally, there was a major relationship between the physical aspect of the room surrounding with students' mood and learning, studied by Ahmad and Amirul in 2017. The second one is influence of physical environment towards students' mood. Socioeconomic background and well-equipped classroom and higher physical condition have a positive impact on private university students' motivation, language use, and mood. Study by Bektas and Oruk in 2011. Third one is influence of physical environment towards student concentration in class. Physical environment such as seat placement, lighting placement, correct sitting position, and bright colors on the classroom walls transmitted through the attention is argued to have an effect on mood, mental clarity, energy level, and student concentration. The study by Choi et al. In 2014. As for the method, the researcher involved 26 students from various colleges and universities. The researcher used online survey through Google Form to conduct the research, where the items were all designed in the form of Likert scale question. The researcher calculated from each item presented in a form of percentage according to Likert scale. If the percentage were 60% agree, it would indicate the positive reaction. Overall, it has been found the percentage of the influence of physical environment towards the respondents' learning and behavior were 80.8% agree. This correlates to a study done by Ahmad and Amirul in 2017 that stated the sustainableness of the physical aspect room surrounding was at the high level for piece of furniture, lighting placement, whereas moderate level for air quality, colors, and area. Moreover, it has been found that 88.5% agree with the statement that the classroom that have well designed can make more students concentration. This finding correlated with study done by Choi et al. In 2014 that state physical environment such as a seat placement, lighting placement, correct sitting position, and bright colors on the classroom walls transmitted through the attention is argued to have an effect on mood, mental clarity, energy level, and student concentration. In conclusion, the research of this study were able to answer. Firstly, most of the respondents was agreed that physical environment can influence their mood, such as temperature of the classroom. Secondly, the respondent also agreed that their grades and behavior improved when the environment support as a whole, like well-designed classroom, bright color, lighting placement, etc. The limitation of this study, the researcher was not able to meet the respondent face-to-face, which made the result to become invalid because the respondents might not answer it honestly. Next, the number of respondents were limited and from different educational institutions. As consequence, the result obtained might not be relevant. The researcher suggests that further research be conducted face-to-face that will help the respondent understand what should they do and answer the question honestly. Moreover, further study can also be carried out using a larger population scale and more variation in participants from each institution to ensure the accuracy of the information.